Good morning and thank you for joining our daily outlook. And today we'll cover the changes in gold. Greg will be sharing insights from our trading desk.
The price of gold has fallen 0.5% in the last session. The Williams indicator shifted into the neutral zone. The euro-dollar pair has gained 0.6% in the last 3 sessions. The CCI has shifted sharply into the positive zone. The sterling-dollar pair has gained 0.4% in the last 2 sessions. The CCI has bounced upwards into neutral territory. The Aussie dollar pair has added 0.3% in the last session. The ADX shifted sharply into positive territory.
Thank you for sharing with us. Now let's hear from our news department.
The Dow Jones Industrial Average may face increasing selling pressure after the stock index moved back to the pre-COVID levels. The CEO of Sanders Morris Harris says Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies could soon become sought after as a safe haven asset. U.S. President Donald Trump said he could exert pressure on more Chinese companies such as technology giant Alibaba after he moved to ban TikTok.
Thank you. Now let's hear today's most important economic events.
The U.S. building permits will be released at 10:30 GMT. The U.S. housing starts at 10:30 GMT. The Japanese core machinery orders at 21:50 GMT. The Japanese exports at 21:50 GMT. The Japanese imports at 21:50 GMT. And the Japanese trade balance at 21:50 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.